Look, Mama, look, the bird's eating the cat food. Look, he's not letting the cats eat. What the chances of that are? I know. Come on, Digger. What are you doing? That's their food. Let them have their food. Come here, Digger. Come on, Digger. Let the cats eat. Digger, you got a mess, Digger. You like dog? Digger. Digger, you like cat food? Digger, you like cat food? Digger, what the hell's wrong with you? What are you doing? You're so pretty. Yes, you are. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Did you give Fluffy some kisses? I saw you kiss that cat. I can't believe you kissed a cat. He could eat your head right off. Yes, he could. What are you, crazy? Pecking him yesterday, and today you're trying to take his food from him and then try to kiss him. You want to try some more? You want to try some more? He's walking right under Fluffy. Look, he's walking right towards Fluffy. Look. Look, Mom, he's getting under Fluffy. Look. Look, he likes Fluffy. Look. He does. He likes Fluffy like the dog. He's not hurt you, Fluffy. Go ahead and eat, baby. He's talking to her. He likes her. Here, baby, you can eat. Come on, y'all are acting silly. Come on, eat your food. Move it over with you. There you go. Fluffy, why you keep running from her? He likes her. He really likes her. He's trying to talk to her. She's trying to eat. What do you like about Fluffy so much? Can't Fluffy have her food? Why can't Fluffy have her food, huh? Why can't Fluffy have her food? She's hungry. And there you come, climbing up on her dish, scaring her with that whistle, eating her food. You like Fluffy? Do you like Minnie Maw? Minnie Maw looks like she might pounce you. Get that up out of my new carpet. Come on, Digger. Let Fluffy eat. Uh, uh, oh, Mama, look. Just can't believe. He's almost like he's trying to feed her. He's trying to be a friend of her. Fluffy won't let him. Look, he's following her. The bird's following Fluffy. Even when she's not by the food. Now Fluffy comes back to the food when he leaves. Look, he's following Fluffy. He's trying to get right in her face and give her kisses and stuff. And look, he's looking at her real funky with his head. I can't wait to put this on the big screen. Look, then he walks away. He tries to get right in Fluffy's face and make like he's doing dances with her and stuff. Say hello. Say hey, Fluffy. You say Fluffy? That's a pretty kitty cat. That's pretty kitty cat, Fluffy. Yes, it is. That's my kitty cat. That's my kitty cat. That's kitty cat. Did you love her? Oh, Mama, he's getting her right in her face. I'm surprised how he's attached to her like that. Say hey, Fluffy. He talk to her? Look, he's trying to play with her while she's eating. Fluffy Fluffy just don't know how to take her. Fluffy's like, what the hell? You want to eat your food, Fluff? The bird won't eat you and let you eat your food, huh? You want to eat your food, Fluff? Get on my toe. Get his feet. Hmm? Mom, look, Mom, look, Mom, look, look. He's not interested in food enough. Look at him. Look what he's doing. Look, 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 look. Okay, look what he's doing. He likes. He's trying to get Fluffy's attention. He's trying to be a friend of hers. Look. Look, and she's like, what the heck? Look, he's got a piece. He's trying to feed her, Mom. He's picking it up and giving it to her. Nope. Fluffy, Fluffy, Fluffy. No. No. You don't spank the cat. You don't spank the bird. You don't spank the bird. You don't spank the bird, Fluffy. Come on, baby. She eating your food, huh? You want to eat your food without her in the way? Come on. That was very nice to be easy. Thank you for being easy and not killing our cat. I mean, killing our bird. There you go. Go ahead. I'll get buzzard off of it. Okay. He likes Fluffy, Mom. Fluffy spanked him 2 times. Like, man, I about had it with this bird and my food now. That's a good.